Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Expression Home XP 5155. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's very compact, multi-task, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer uses ink cartridges 502 or 502 extra large. In terms of this printing speed, you can print 14 prints per minute for black and 7.5 printing speed, 7.5 print per minute for color. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi, print resolution 4800 and 2500 by 1200 dpi. This printer is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows XP, SP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server. Connection is USB cable connection, Wi-Fi direct and Wi-Fi wireless network. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using 502 ink cartridges. Okay, what we're going to do right now, this printer is also using, you need to connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel. If you connect this printer using the disk provided, what you need to do is stick it to your laptop and download the software. Okay, but if you connect it with your mobile device or your laptop, you can connect it the Epson Smart Panel by going to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Okay, so this is the disk provided and the information pack. This printer is for office work, for student work, for businesses. And to start to operate this printer, to set it up, what you need to do is switch it on right here. So this is the on, and so make sure the printer is plugged in to the socket. Yeah. So this is the, so push it inside. Okay, it's in. Now plug it on to the socket. Okay. Once you plug it onto the socket, the next you need to do is switch the printer on. Okay, so right now the printer is getting ready. So once you, okay, you can see, going to bring the camera for you to see. From the panel, right now, you need to select the language. Okay, so select your language, and English language selected, press OK. So right now it's processing. So you can see it's processing. So we need to wait for the process to take place. Okay, you can see this is the glass scanner. Okay, so once you switch it on, just a size patient, and once, then we need to follow the instruction to install the ink. Okay, so right now, initialization start, install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. Okay, so right now what we need to do is open it up. Okay, you can see the ink cartridges holder. It's right here in the middle. It does this automatically. And the serial number for this printer is right here. So what we need to do right now is gently install the ink and follow the instruction. Okay. Okay, so going to bring the camera close. Okay. So to install the ink, what we need to do right now. Okay. Okay, so the first we need to go is we need to install black. BK is for black. Okay, so go to the black color. Okay, and so this is the black ink. Okay, now what we need to do is Okay, what we need to do, you need to go in. Okay, so okay, you can see remove. So open it. Okay, now the next we need to do, once you put this inside, this will open up. Okay, so it will open up once you go in. Okay, so the next we need to do is to go in. You can see it's open. Okay, so go in. The black is in. Okay, the next we need to do is we need to go to blue color. This is the blue. Okay, go in the blue color. It's in. Now the next is M. Which is red color. When you are doing this, make sure you don't touch this area. Okay. Red is in. Okay. The last but not the least, it's yellow. Yellow. Okay, go in, push it down. Okay, and the next we need to do right now is just gently close the printer, move it backwards and close. Okay, and the next we need to do is we need to select start initialization. Okay, so from the panel, click install, click OK. Okay, so right now it's processing. Okay, so right now initialization will take about 5 minutes. Okay, so you need to give it time for this initialization to complete. You can see the time. So there's a time here. You need to wait for the initialization. Please wait. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 5 minutes time. You can see the time is moving up slowly. So just need to exercise patience. Is progressing slow and steady. So we're just waiting. Okay, so it's gone halfway, more than halfway. And see the line is progressing. So you just need to wait for the initialization, okay, to reach to the end. And once it's done, so this is how to install the ink cartridges. I just want to mention also this printer, the paper tray is right here. Okay, you can see initialization complete. Okay, so I want to show you right now, initialization complete. Okay, so guys, this is how to install the ink cartridges. Check out my video how to complete the adjustment, alignment, okay, and loading the paper tray. Thank you and stay blessed.